Double letters. When two identical letters follow each other in a word, and the first one has this symbol, while the second one has any short vowel, then only the second letter and its short vowel are written with this symbol to indicate that this letter is a double letter instead of writing the letter twice. Listen to the following words that contain letter
إب
with the three short vowels.
إب بو بو أحبك
I love you,
إب ب ب شباك
window,
إب بي بي ربي
my God. Notes about this symbol. It cannot be placed on the first letter of the word. It always has a short vowel accompanying it. It must be always written on the top of double letters, even if the short vowels are not written, since it is considered to be a basic letter in the word, although it is placed above the letters like short vowel marks. Furthermore, to show the importance of writing symbol above letters and how it affects the meaning of the word, listen carefully to the following pairs of words. Note, each pair of words have the same letters and the same short vowel on each letter, but one of them has a double letter. Thus, it has a different meaning.
ولد
Boy,
ولد
he produced.
علم
Flag,
علم
he taught.
درس
He studied.
درس
He taught.
عبر
He crossed.
عبر
He expressed.
صمم
Deafness.
صمم
He designed. The name of this symbol in Arabic.
شدة حرف مشدد
This lesson comes from the Reading and Writing book, the first book in the Enjoy Arabic curriculum. You can get it on Amazon as an ebook. There's also an interactive version available as an app, allowing you to click on any Arabic word to hear its pronunciation clearly. You can purchase the app on Google Play and the App Store. Check the links in the description below.
Quiz time.
Now it's your turn. You can challenge yourself with the exercises in the workbook, available for free via the link in the description. Thanks for watching.